Mm-hmm. Wow, it smells like rain. It smells like rain in the air. If it rains or if it's just dark. Oh, no, it rains. But it smells good still. It's like this warm. It's cool. I don't even know how to explain it. Just woke up, can you tell? But, I mean, I'm still out here in a tank top, but I'm not dying, so. So Alicia's choir is singing down at a little bar, cafe somewhere around here 3 times today. So I'm gonna go down later and see them perform. Hopefully the weather clears up. There you go. See, sometimes my phone just likes to turn off by itself. But yeah, it's too bad that it's the first time I've had crappy weather and she has outdoor performances today. So hopefully it gets better. So it's raining. Got my umbrella. And I was invited to lunch at Anna's house, which I totally forgot about until 20 after 11 when Alicia reminded me. Alicia has choir shows today, so she's not going. So I'm making my way, and I hear I'm bringing bread. So I need to find a boulangerie and get some bread. Here we go. All right, so the umbrella won't open. I can't get it to open because I borrowed it, and it's all sticky. There's sticky stuff on it. So I brought my hat to at least save my makeup. And I don't think it's that far of a walk, just about 10 minutes. So here we go. Back with the scary elevator. Blimey. Something you'd see in it, like tower chair. Here's the best one I've had. Alright. So, here we go. Try to fix my hair and my face before I see people. It's all wet. The hat just made it sweaty and okay. There's also be the elevator scaring me to death. That's okay. I'm okay.
Let's see. Oh, this.
Take it out, Kimber. Yay. End it with me and the puppy. Spend time with me. So that day, that's day 8. Really easy day. Went for lunch. Walked, took a little walk. Had some pasta with David and Alicia.